ìbànújẹ́ mà Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ òṣèrébìnrin ilẹ̀ wa wà báyìí. Ẹ gbọ́ ohun tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí i. Ṣé ẹ ti gbọ́ ohun tó tún ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó lásìkò tó ti dé padà sórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà? Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí JAIYE KUTI sọ, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fún lésì. Ẹ jókòó, ẹ gbọ́ òyìn náà lẹ́kùnrẹ́rẹ́. Gbajúgbajà òṣèrébìnrin ilẹ̀ wa ìyẹn Ìyábọ̀ Òjó táwọn tiẹ̀ tún ń pè ní Queen Mother tó lọ bá ọmọ rẹ̀ Priscilla Òjó ń kàǹbálà lọ ṣe lọ́jọ́jọ́ ọmọ ti balẹ̀ sórílẹ̀-èdè Nàìjíríà o. Òun àti òṣèré akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ Tóyìn Abraham ni wọ́n jọ padà sórílẹ̀-èdè náà. Bí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe dé làwọn èèyàn ti ń retí ohun tọkùnrin kan tó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ lórí ẹ̀rọ ayélujára ìyẹn VDM máa ṣe lórí pé ó fẹ̀sùn kan Ìyábọ̀ Òjó wípé ó ṣì kàn ní WhatsApp group lórí ọ̀rọ̀ ikú Mohbad tí wọ́n ń wádìí àtàwọn ẹ̀sùn mìíràn tó fi kan Ìyábọ̀ Òjó. Bákan náà ni amali náà sọ fún Ìyábọ̀ Òjó pé kó máa bọ̀ lé wípé kò dùn látàrí báwọn kan ṣe sọ wípé Ìyábọ̀ Òjó sá lọ lórí ẹ̀sùn tí VDM fi kàn án. Ní báyìí tí Ìyábọ̀ Òjó ṣe dé làwọn èèyàn sì ń retí ohun tó máa tún ṣe fún òṣèré akẹgbẹ́ rẹ̀ ìyẹn Lizzy Anjorin tó fi ojoojúmọ́ ṣépè fún òun ọmọ àtọmọmọ rẹ̀ tó sì sọ pé tóun bá dé lòun máa ráyè tiẹ̀. Nàìjíríà bá fẹ́ wò wọn tó fẹ́ ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn tí Ìyábọ̀ ti dé báyìí. Inú ìbànújẹ́ òṣèrébìnrin ilẹ̀ wa ìyẹn Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ wà báyìí látàrí ohun tí iléeṣẹ́ bàálù ṣe fún nígbà tó lọ sí ìrìn àjò sórílẹ̀-èdè Bùtìkó. Bíọ́lá ló bá aláboyún kan gbẹ́rù ṣùgbọ́n tí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ jábọ́ tí ẹni tó sì rí ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ náà rẹ̀ sì fún àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ bàálù náà. Ṣùgbọ́n nígbà tí Bíọ́lá dé ọ̀dọ̀ ọ̀kan lára òṣìṣẹ́ náà láti béèrè ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ rẹ̀ ni wọ́n bá ń yí síbí ni wọ́n ń yí Bíọ́lá sọ́tún. Èyí tó mú kí Bíọ́lá Adébáyọ̀ pariwo pé káwọn iléeṣẹ́ náà fún òun ní ẹ̀rọ ìbánisọ̀rọ̀ òun o torí òun ní kan tóun fẹ́ fi ṣe. Lórí ọ̀rọ̀ tí JAIYE KUTI sọ, Ìyábọ̀ Òjó fún lésì.
Having to dance, create skits and content to be able to create more awareness for our movies and cinemas. It's something that has been happening as far back when I joined the Yoruba industry. The only thing different is just the method in which we do it. And we all have to understand that it's inevitable. You cannot tamper with time. Time changes, things happen, and you have to flow with the flow. If you do not flow with the flow, you'll be left back. There is no movie producer that does not go an extra mile to advertise their movies. And I'm talking about way back in the days of when I joined the industry. I remember the days of National Theatre, where you will see about 5, 6, 7 people, at canvassing fans to watch their movie. We'll stay from the gate. We'll be beating drums, dancing, singing cultural songs, trying to lure them to come and watch our own movies. And you see people queue. Some people will be on this queue. They will go and talk to them to come on their own, try to advertise their movie, that their own movie is better, create a lot of noise, do a lot of buzz. Then in those days we stay at LTV8. We're always there because we know that a lot of people come there to meet with the celebrities there, and there's a place for networking where we meet the marketers, meet our fellow colleagues, meet new people. Do you understand? In those days, if you want to do movies and most especially the Yoruba industry, and you're not at LTV8, you're in a long term. And apart from that, when your movie is coming out, you have to go round, do TV programs, do radio programs. But sometimes we'll go to LTV8 to do the LTV8 one. We go to another one at Secretariat there. I can't remember the name of that radio station. We'll do Bayowa, we'll leave there. We go to Ibadan, from Ibadan we go to Osogbo, we go to Akure, we go to Ekiti, we go to Ilorin. We used to travel around just to create awareness for our movie that is coming. Coming out, and that will be showing in either National Theatre or even when DVD came out or CD came out. It's just that the method in which we used to use then was different. You go to National Theatre, then we are dancing, beating drums and all that. Do you understand? Singing, and you see different people there trying to advertise their own products. When in the days of Video Club, we'll print our posters, take it around Video Club, ask them to help us paste it on their, on their doors or their glasses or wherever, advert board. So it's not today that one needs to advertise his or her movie. You must create awareness. I would even say now it's easier. than in those days when we have to move from one state to one state to one state to one state to one state. And recently when I went state by state to promote Labaki Olududu and to visit my fans in cinemas, I will tell you that it brought back memories of those days when it was a normal thing for us to do. You can't just bring out your movie and not advertise it. We had a lot of TV stations then that were promoting movies, Buy Your One, a lot of them that you have to go there. You do one, I mean, you could have different slots. Marketers then, that's how they push their movies. So now in this day and era, now we dance, we do content, we create videos. It's even, for me, it's even easier than those days. You can't bring out a movie and just put it in cinema and just expect people to watch it. You must create awareness, and you must create things that would attract people to want to listen or pay attention, or to want to look at you and say, this movie that they are just, trying to get my attention, let me just even go and see what this movie is all about. So I will say it's a positive way. You must constantly, if Coca-Cola is still running adverts back to back on their products, I wonder why myself or anyone can't use any method to run an advert and create awareness. Everybody don't have to dance.